Hi everyone, trying to install DirectX on Windows and you get this error, an internal system error occurred. So let's see how you can fix this error and install DirectX in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. From here, make sure both the .NET framework builds are selected and then click on OK. If it asks to download and install, select the Windows Update option and wait for the installation process to finish. Once done, close this window and restart your computer once. After restart, simply go to Control Panel. Then go to Programs and Features. From here, see if Microsoft Visual C++ is installed or not. If it is installed, simply right click over it and click on Change. And then perform a repair from here. If it is not installed on your system, simply open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ download. Go to the official web page of Microsoft. Scroll down and here you will get both the versions for 32 and 64-bit. So as per your system architecture, download and install it from here. After you install it, open your browser and search for DirectX download. Then go to the official web page of Microsoft and simply download it from here. Once downloaded, right click over the setup file and run it as administrator. Accept the license agreement, click on next. Uncheck this option, click on next. Click on next to install it. That's it. You won't get any errors while installing DirectX this time. However, if this is also not working, then right click over the setup file of DirectX, go to its properties. Then go to compatibility tab, check mark this box, and from the drop down you need to try the options and see in which you don't get the error while running the setup. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.